Let's solve for y in the exponential equation. 1 over 2 to the power of 3y minus 2 equals 16 to the power of 1 minus 1. 1 over 2 can also be written as 2 to the power of minus 1 from the laws of indices. Remember, we have the power 3y minus 2. This equals 16 to the power of 1 minus y. So what we have on the left hand is on base 2, but the right side is on base 16. So let's make the bases equal. The smallest base we have here is 2, so let's change 16 to base 2. This becomes 2 to the power of, now let's open up this, let's simplify the power. Minus 1 times 3y gives minus 3y. Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. This equals the power of 4. Meaning if you multiply 2 4 times gives 16, right? So we have a power here, 1 minus y. So this becomes 2 to the power of minus 3y plus 2 equal 2 to the power of, let's open up the bracket here. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 4 times y, that's 4y. The bases are now equal both on the right and the left hand side, so we equate the powers. This becomes minus 3y plus 2 equal 4 minus 4y. So we collect like terms, or we say we rearrange. We have minus 3y, minus 4y crosses the equal sign becomes plus 4y equal 4, and plus 2 crosses the equal sign to the right hand side, that becomes a minus 2. So minus 3y plus 4y is y equal 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the final answer. So that means that the value of y that satisfies this exponential equation is 2.